to have superpowers? Or have you ever imagined how would it be to select the physical features of any human being, such as eye color, hair color, or skin color? Well, I think that almost everyone in this world have at least wished one of those at minimum. And well,
some years ago, people used to dream with having computers taking over everything, such as dating or shopping, and that billions of people will be connected via web, and that almost anyone could have a handheld device. In the past, people may say it seemed to be absurd or that it was just science fiction and it would never be that way. But now it is our reality. Nowadays, we're in the same position with the genetic engineer. Human beings have changed lives since always, since the most ancient civilizations. But no one kept record until the discovery of DNA on 1869. And well, DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is a complex molecule that contains all the information necessary to build and maintain an organism. The DNA is present in all the human beings, in all the animals, in all the plants, in every molecule of our bodies. And it carries all the information during the reproduction. All the genetic information such as the skin color, the characteristics, the hair color, and even the genetic diseases. During the reproduction, this information is carried just as instructions for the new creature to be. The thing is that if somebody changed the instructions, it will change the characteristics of the creature. So it was until 1993 when scientists started studying how to introduce new information or change the information to prevent human genetic diseases or changing some genetic characteristics. And that's how the CRISPR appeared. CRISPR stands for cluster regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats. And well, it sounds like something really weird, but it is just cutting and introducing new information to the DNA. It is a huge breakthrough in medicine because it could help to prevent all the diseases with genetic basis. But as every huge breakthrough, it also has some dark side. This tool will change the evolution of everything and it will change the course of everything too. It also have provoked ethical concerns in everyone because some said that it's like taking God's place to do life or to change the course of life. It has been a great eye-opener and it has broadened all the scientists' horizons and opened their imagination because this is very new and different. And well, I think that it's very cool, this new tool, because it could help to make great changes, but I do think that it's very dangerous because if a lot of people have access to this tool, it can be very dangerous because in some day no one could keep record or keep track of how people are using it. Therefore, as we know, the grass always looks greener on the other side, so I think that's the main reason why it could be dangerous, because we all want something that we can't have, and crazy people can do things beyond our limits, and I think that that's dangerous. Like people doing weird experiments, it could be very dangerous. And also we know that this is just the tip of the iceberg, because this is the small part the scientists and the powerful people want us to know, because there is something more always, and I think that this is not an exception. I think that there is a lot of information we cannot even know, and I'm sure they have some dangerous experiments and some big stuff being on, because all the powerful people don't like to let no stone turned. And well, in these days there are people who are using it, and that are using it to program how they wanna have their babies, like the color of their eyes and all that characteristics that I told you before. So I want to know your opinion.
Is this something that you approve, or is this something that you would like to do? Please tell me that in the comments below, and please like the video if you want to see more videos of this kind of subjects. And subscribe to my channel.